All right, so what is the sling system? Well, we've got 4 slings that run across our core, which is going to be the main slings that we're going to talk about here. They're also on the back, so they run from the lat to the glute, lat to the glute, and then across the obliques down to the inner thigh, across the obliques down to the inner thigh. So those are what we're going to learn to load and contract. First, let's talk about antagonistic muscle groups. So what those are is essentially opposite muscle groups that work in tandem. So the bicep, when it contracts, the tricep relaxes and expands or loads. So now it's loaded and it can go the other way. The tricep, once it's contracted, the bicep is then loaded, it can contract and go the other way. So the same thing is going to work with the slings, and we're going to understand when we take our setup, what is stabilizing those slings, what is in the middle of all 4 of these slings. We'll progress to the backswing, what slings are loaded and what slings are contracted, okay? And then through the transition, which is going to be an extra load. How do we extra load these slings while keeping it all stable? And then from there, how do we finish that swing to propel everything through the finish like that slingshot?